Okay, so we are at the truck station, gas station, whatever. Just left the RV park over here where we were staying. There's a McDonald's and Subway here. We just cleaned out the car a little bit, so this seems to be a little bit more easy functioned around here. Probably gonna hold up a sign later. We made a GoFundMe account. Gotta do what you gotta do. Gas station to reach the wilderness past the native reservation. This one's from my peeps on the street. Sammy's been doing a lot better with the road trips. And me, I've been, you know, just living it.
You do have to pay for the air. That's fucking.
Do you have your shoes on yet, babe? Sammy thinks she's getting out. She's in for another long car ride. I don't know if she knows yet.
Hey, you stay in here.
Come, Sam. Sammy's dying to get out. Sammy. Sammy, my girl. I love you.
Messages, Wednesday, November
Kisses.
3rd,
Have a kiss, Sam.
p.m.
Sammy.
It's
I love you, my
November
girl.
3rd, 2004, day after election day. I was hoping that your album wouldn't
Have
be
a kiss?
relevant, but now it's more relevant than ever.